YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So actually waiting on Ramon to get here with the truck, but I just pulled up and we are here at ICB, as you can see. So I'm pretty excited. I'm not gonna miss this USDM bumper at all. I believe the bumper is championship white. Yeah, excited to see it. So Matt's gonna go and get it right now, and I'll check back with you as soon as I see it. Ramon came over with his Tacoma, the work truck, and like I said, I'm just waiting for Matt to get back here. I'm not really sure where exactly he keeps it. I guess we're about to find out right now. I'm pretty excited, so. Checking it out. Man, that's gonna look pretty close to the top of it, right? All right, here it is. Looks really good. Looks like it just got fresh coat of paint too, so should be good to go. I'm gonna tape it back up, and then yeah, I'll come back to you guys as soon as we're done. We have a JDM rear bumper for the Fd2 Civic. I couldn't be more happy. Like, I don't know like how I was able to even get this thing. This thing is immaculate. Like, I'm talking the paint, it just looks like it just got freshly painted. The craftsmanship is really amazing. There is some dust and stuff like that, but aside from that, man, it is wow. I'm shocked. Just looking at the side profile of the actual bumper, if you could see, it kind of has like this swoop down, which kind of like helps to bring the side of the vehicle together. Because if you see the side profile of this bumper, you'll notice that you see how short it kind of comes in. It kind of comes in like a little bit under center. The color is a little bit off. This is championship white, and this is taffeta or taffeta white, however you guys want to pronounce it. I want to go ahead and test fit this on the car. So we're going to go ahead, jack the car up, take the wheels off again, and test fit the bumper. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. Even though it's not painted, and even though I don't have the rear diffuser, I mean, I secured a bumper. Like, I don't know, like, is it supposed to be that easy? I don't know. I feel like I'm cheating. All right, let's get to it. Guys, so we have the rear bumper off, and man, it is really dirty under here. I need to clean this, but we have the rear bumper off. I did forget about the two bottom clips that are here, so using a clip tool remover definitely helps get the job done, especially if you don't want to break them or anything like that. So highly recommend to get one of these if you guys struggle with the clips. Anyways, we have both bumpers together side by side. On the side profile, you kind of have this swoop down here versus just it kind of just like bowing in. And then another thing as well is the diffuser part, it definitely goes a little bit higher. So on this USDM one, it does have like a little lip here, but it doesn't really protrude out as much as the JDM. So you can see there's kind of like a little bevel, like a little lip here. And then this is where the diffuser, the rear diffuser goes in. And on here, there really is just nothing. It's just a space for the muffler and just a bare bumper, which obviously is why they made the lip, so that way you can make it a little bit aggressive. But in this case, we are going full bumper. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and put this bumper on. I'm excited.
I am very excited.
Yes. It's an
Hello, USA.
Yes.
Hello, USA. I am very excited.
gosh. Gee, look at this. I mean, bro, come on. You can't really ask for better fitment than this. Oh my gosh. Bruh. Wow. So much more aggressive. Guys, check this out. What? This is crazy. Look at how much more aggressive that looks. You guys probably are like, it's not that much more aggressive, but man, that is, wow. Super impressed. Super, super impressed. I do have to lift this end up a little bit. It is kind of crooked, but it is on, and super happy with how it looks. Let me go ahead and put the wheels on real quick, and then we're gonna drop the car, and I wanna see how good this fits, cause wow, this looks, come on now, come on. Let me get a like real quick. If you guys like this video so far, give me a like, please. Helps my channel out tremendously. And also, if you guys aren't subscribed, man, what are you guys doing, bro? Hit that sub button, man, come on. All right, guys, so I had to go in actually and adjust this bumper because there was a lip, a small little lip that's underneath here that I wasn't over, I was underneath it. So make sure when you're putting the bumper on that you're above that lip, and it will be such a better, like, big difference as far as fitment is concerned. Man, guys, I can't stop looking at this. Like, I cut the camera off, I was gonna put the wheels back on, but like, geez, I can't stop looking at this. Like, I think I might just keep this on. I really do. Like, to go from this to that is like, and I know the color's off, guys. I really do. I mean, it's off-white, champ white. It doesn't really match, but man, this thing is crazy. So here it is out in the sun. What do you guys think? Man, it really accentuates the rear end of the car. Super happy with it. Like I said, I need to get a diffuser. I will be trying to get a J's Racing one. I know that you probably have to customize the diffuser to fit the muffler style exhaust. Definitely gonna get it painted up soon. All right, guys, so that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you for making it all the way to the end. Man, like I said, I can't get over how good it looks, man. Special thanks to Ramon, again, if you're watching, bro. Thank you so much for your help. I know you were tired that day, and you know, you were just done working, and you know, I know the newborn and everything, but you came through, you helped out, and I appreciate you, man. I really do, man. Thank you. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, man. I have a lot more things coming for this car. Trust me, I really do. I'm not just saying that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.